Today, I am going to show you how to make authentic prawns stir fry the Nigerian way. This is an easy side dish prepared with prawns, bell peppers, onions, and spices. It is one of my favorite side dishes, and trust me, you are going to love it as well. So, all you have to do is to get ready and let's start cooking. First, I'll pour a quarter cup of cooking oil into my frying pan and allow the oil to get hot. As soon as I'm sure that the oil is hot enough, preferably I'll heat my oil for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then I'll go ahead and put my clean prawns in the hot oil. One thing I also have to let you know about this delicious dish is that it can be served at birthdays, naming ceremonies, and any special occasion of choice. After putting the prawns in the oil, I'll season with 1 teaspoon curry powder, 1 teaspoon dry thyme, and 1 stock cube. I'll also go ahead and add half teaspoon salt. After I do this, I'll give everything a good mix to ensure that all the ingredients combine properly with the prawns. Then I'll cover the pot or the frying pan and allow it to cook for 7 to 10 minutes on medium heat. It is important to ensure that the prawns are properly cooked, and that is why I'll be cooking it for 7 to 10 minutes on medium heat first. Also, as this video continues, I'd like to share with you some of the lovely food combinations that you can enjoy with stir-fried prawns. But first, let's continue to cook. After cooking for 7 minutes, this is what it looks like. You notice that the prawns now look smaller because, of course, they're cooked. Now I'll go ahead and stir well. Then I'll add the final ingredients for this, and that would be half cup of sliced spring onions and also yellow bell pepper and green bell pepper, both sliced. I'll put this in and give it a good mix. Then I'll cover the pot or frying pan and allow it to cook or simmer for 4 to 5 minutes. While this is happening, I like to let you know that this is a delicious side dish that you should try in your kitchen. Also, if you're yet to like this video, don't forget to like this video, leave your comment, share this video, and of course, subscribe to this channel. And I also have to let you know that I post easy meals, easy recipes from my kitchen every single week so that you can cook or make homemade meals every time you feel like cooking. This is my stir-fry prawns ready to be enjoyed, and what I'm doing now is I'm simply scooping out the prawns and removing it from the hot oil. Also, you can use this oil to cook rice, spaghetti, potatoes, and yam because it is flavored and it is delicious. So using this cooking oil to cook any of the foods I mentioned earlier would add lovely flavor to the dishes. Till next time, bye.